Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. And today it's all about Taco Pockets. And this episode starts right now. Hey guys, welcome back. Another great episode today about tacos. Today I'm making Taco Pockets. So easy and such a yummy snack. I have the ingredients behind me. Let's go check them out. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for our Taco Pockets. We need a large package of empanada discs. I have here some flour we're going to use to prepare our empanada discs. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder. I have half a teaspoon of chipotle for some spiciness, which that's optional if you don't like spicy. I have 2 tablespoons of cilantro. One is going to be put aside for our sour cream dip for our Taco Pockets. I have a whole lime. I have 2 nice sized green onions. You can substitute that for yellow onion if you don't have green onions. We're going to be using Mexican style cheese, some mild salsa verde, a package of taco seasoning mix, and of course our sour cream for dipping. Now today I'm using half a pound of ground beef, 85/15, and half a pound of ground pork, totaling 1 pound. So you guys, let's head over to the stove and let's get cooking. Add our green onions. There we go. There we go. We're going to add our garlic powder. Onion powder and our garlic powder. Let's wait until this cooks a little bit, and then I'm going to add my taco seasoning. Okay guys, here is our taco seasoning mix. You have to put this in your meat when your meat's almost ready. You don't put it in the raw meat. So let's sprinkle this on the whole entire package. All right. Now we are also going to add, I'm going to add my half a teaspoon of chipotle. This is optional if you don't like spicy. Guys, so this is going to be cooled when I come back, and we are going to have a small little easy assembly line. I'm going to show you how I make my Taco Pockets, which are guys, I'm back and we are ready. Our meat has cooled. My taste tester has tasted it and it's yum yum. Perfect with the ingredients that I will have in the drop down menu and on my website, which if you guys haven't checked out yet, you have to check out. All my videos and all my recipes are on this website, which is my blog, my cooking blog. And that website is right here on the screen. It's www.stovetopyumyum.com. You don't want to miss that, you guys. You have everything on one page. You'll love it. All right, so here is the meat. Now I'm going to use some mild salsa verde. I'm going to use half a cup. So I'm going to pour half a cup of mild salsa verde. I let my meat cool, by the way. We have half a cup. Oh, my mouth is watering and my back is turned to you guys. I'm sorry. Drop my little towel. So I'm going to use half of my cilantro in our mix. Half of it right here. And the other half is going into our sour cream. Now we are going to use, you can use as much cheese as you want. The cheesier, the better. It all depends. So I'm just going to grab handfuls in here, maybe 2 handfuls. Probably this is, let's see, this is an 8-ounce bag, so like half of an 8-ounce bag. We are warming up our oil here in our pan. Now, keep in mind, all you need to use is exactly half an inch of oil. I'll leave it like that so I can show you how we're going to make our Taco Pockets. All right, here we go. All right, this is all mixed in here. All right, so now we're going to grab one of our discs. I'm going to grab a little bit of, it's always wise to grab a small little pinch of flour on your cutting board. Now, we are going to grab a spoon, We're going to grab a spoon, and we are going to put it in the middle of our disc. So I'm going to make one, and then I'm going to do the rest. Make the rest, and when I'm frying them, I'm going to come back and show you. Watch. Okay, so we have it here. Are you guys watching this? Here. So now we're going to turn it over like this. We're going to press down. This is kind of like a pie crust type of dough. This is what you use to make what Hispanics call empanadas, which I'm sure you've all tried. And then we're going to take our fork and we are going to seal the edges. I'm going to show you what it looks like. We're going to press down on the edges carefully so we seal it down. All right, keep doing that. Okay. Keep sealing down our edges. We don't want anything coming out, so perfect. Let me show you. Look at that, you guys. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my God, I'm back and I'm so excited, you guys. Look at this beauties. Look at that. So far we have 4. I'm going to put them in the frying pan. I'm going to check this out. So the way you know how long you have to cook it, it's just browner on each side. It's pretty simple. And they're very, very fragile. Be careful with them, okay? If you have any, be careful dropping them in the oil. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on. Oh, this makes me hungry. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious. You see those babies in there? So we're probably looking, you guys, at about, let me grab my little, hang on a second. Let me grab my baby tongs right here. And we're just going to move this one out of the way there a little bit. So we're probably looking at about 3 minutes on each side. You'll see it browning through the bottom, and then just carefully turn it over carefully. A little tip that I wanted to tell you. Oh my God, a little tip is when you grab your fork to fork this to seal it, make sure you fork it on both sides. All right, look at this. I mean, you guys, please, this goes quick. These cook quick. Oh my God. These cook so quick, you guys. Look at this batch, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so delicious, so delish. Now this will make you want to dance. Oh, this is so good. You guys, it's time for us to make our cream sauce. Oh my God. You guys are not going to believe how good this is. Watch this. I'm back, you guys, and we're going to taste now. First thing I'm going to do is grab about, there is probably about 1.5 cups of sour cream left in here. I'm going to put it in my bowl. This is so easy. I'm making it so fast because it's so easy. We're going to do that. Grab a little bit. Yeah, about 1.5 cups. We're going to put the rest of our cilantro. Let's get the rest of our cilantro in there. We're going to grab half a lime. Grab half a lime. I'll show you when it's done. Squeeze our lime in there. And it's always essential to put some salt when you're using sour cream. Not a lot, a small little pinch, maybe a teaspoon. Perfect. Look at that. Kind of looks like a tzatziki. Looks kind of like a tzatziki, but it's not. It's our cilantro lemon cream. Oh my God, this is beautiful. So now we're going to taste. Look what I did here. Oh my God, you guys are not going to believe this when I show you this. Please, let me know in the comments if this does not remind you of your childhood. Look at these containers that I picked up today. These remind me of when I was a little girl. Oh my God, and look at our beautiful taco pockets. Check that out. Beautiful taco pockets. So with that total pound, 1/2 pound of ground beef and 1/2 pound of pork, that gave me all the ingredients, 1 package of the large discs of the empanada discs. You can find it in your grocery case at your local grocery store, anywhere. And it brings 10. The large discs bring 10, which they're everywhere. And it made all 10 with the exact pound of meat. So wow. If you're by yourself, it doesn't matter. You can keep them refrigerated. You can freeze them in a Ziploc and then heat them up in the oven. Or you can do like I do and take it to work, and all your coworkers freak out when you give it to them because they love it. All right, you guys, are you ready? It's hot. I'm going to grab a piece. I'm actually going to cut it in half And I'm going to show you what the middle looks like. Let me grab a knife. Let's grab a serrated knife. We are going to use a serrated knife with our cutting board. Okay, you guys, here goes nothing, okay? I'm going to cut this baby carefully. It's kind of like cutting bread. You don't want to squash it. Look at that. Look at those taco pockets. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm freaking out right now. I dropped my towel. Oh my God. I always flip out when I want to taste. Those of you that know me and follow me know that I freak out when I taste. All right. Oh, I'm sweating. This is making me, oh my God. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Oh my God. All right, guys. Let's grab a little bit of our sour cream. As I always mention in all my videos, you can put as little or as much as you like. I usually put big blobs of sour cream. So remember, I used the chipotle. I used the chipotle to make it a little bit extra hot. And what we want to do is, if you don't like it spicy, you don't need to. Just omit it. But here goes. You ready for this? This is big. Oh my God. Hold on. This is hot, you guys. Look at this cute container. I'm so excited about it. When I was young, we used to order sandwiches at the bakery and they would give it to you in these containers. You guys remember that? Oh my God, please let me know because I was so happy when I found this today at the store. I couldn't believe it. Or here goes nothing, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys. Oh my God, the lime from that sour cream and this fresh cilantro. Listen. And the cheese and the salsa verde. You know what this tastes like? Like a taco pocket. Because that's what it is, my taco pockets. You can make these for dinner. You can make them for snack. You know, I know sports is temporarily out right now and it's slowly coming back and going away. We're living rough times right now. You want to sit and watch a movie or have a snack or, I don't know, have a taco night and make them. This is so, so, so yummy. Oh my God. But I'll try it again. I just want to make sure. Hold on a second. This is crazy, you guys. And when I put a little bit more of my sour cream, because I'm a sour cream girl. There we go. Oh, I have to bring up this little bowl because it's so, so cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here goes nothing. It's hot. Keep in mind, it's not that spicy with the teaspoon of chipotle. It's not really that spicy. But if you want to put more or make it spicier, you can. And always remember that the cream, the lime, cilantro, sour cream dipping sauce that I just made will always cool the palate down if it's very spicy. That's why there's so much crema and so much sour cream in Mexican food. Because a lot of it is so spicy, and then the crema, or the sour cream, whichever you want to call it, same thing, it cools the palate down from the heat. Let me try this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just freaking out. That's a big bite. I wonder if I can take a big bite like that. I want to try, okay? Don't laugh, please. Here goes. Ay, Dios mío. Oh my God. Okay. That is so cheesy and meaty with that delicious, I call it pie crust with the empanada disc. Same thing as pie crust. Very, very much, I mean, very much in the family of pie crust. Oh my God, that's so delicious, you guys. So remember, you guys, this is an easy, delicious recipe that you can make at home. And always remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, feel free to subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new episode. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero, and until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you then. Take care. Bye.